How to become Xero certified. First, make sure you create a Xero account. After you do that, you can access the Xero central.xero.com. Then go to Learning, then go to Xero Certifications, click Get Certified, click Show More, and now you can see the 6 certifications that Xero offers. What you need to do is select a course and then complete the training module. Let's go to the first one. Let's click Get Started. And what you need to do is go through this course entirely. Click Get Started here to watch the video. And take notes on all of this. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, then they're gonna check your knowledge. Now let's check these 3. There you go. And now let's go to the other question. After completing the lessons, start the assessment, answer the certification questions, and submit the exam. You must meet Xero's passing requirements to become certified. Now, after passing, you'll receive a Xero Advisor certification. Your certification status will appear in your Xero profile, and you may be able to display the verification badge professionally. And most importantly, you can add your Xero certification to your CV and LinkedIn. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.